Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop HDR toning for food photography. Open your food image to make texture look using HDR toning. Convert the layer into a small object for safe editing. Enter HDR toning to increase dynamic range and real strength slightly for crisp texture. Increase detail to highlight surface elements. Lower highlights to keep shine under control. Lift shadows so ingredient looks rich. Adjust gamma for a warm tone. Add vibrance to improve food color and reduce saturation to avoid artificial hues. Modify exposure for perfect balance. Mask HDR on plates on backgrounds. Re-edit for a natural